What's up guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Eddie. Hope you all having a good day today. Welcome to my new show called the Ask EddieG Show. Yes, we got a new show on this channel. The purpose of this new series is to open up communications from the comment section, or you know where it goes down in the DMs, but not like that. Yes, every so often I get comments or questions that I feel could definitely serve for a much larger audience, because sometimes they are common questions but that can evolve into something else, but at the end of the day can help another out. So guys, welcome to my new series. I hope you enjoy it. Definitely comment below if you do, or send me a DM. And of course, if you found this video helpful at all, definitely give it a big thumbs up. So guys, I get questions quite often, but this last question I was like, hey, this is a good idea for the channel. And that question is how to build a project car, or how to build a car in general. So guys, this question initially was, what mod should I do first on my 350Z? What was my recommendation? And quite honestly, after a little bit of discussion, we got into how to build a car. So guys, I'm gonna share my tips and advice, my experience with you guys, in hopes that it helps someone else out, especially if they're new on board to building their car up. And of course, if you're new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing, because we have a lot of DIY content. We have this new show going where I communicate with you guys. And at the end of the day, whether you need to do suspension, brakes, now motor works, we have everything that you possibly can need here, especially if it's a 350Z. Of course, it's gonna keep growing, but we do have a lot of helpful content there. So definitely smash that subscribe button. So guys, my first tip is definitely find out what you're building for. If you want to build a drift car, build something for that. If you want to build a quarter mile, build something geared towards that. At the end of the day, you have to categorize your car to what you want it to be, because it will definitely save you money and save you a lot of having to repurchase different parts, because you change your mind down the line. And of course, we all know car parts are not cheap. So definitely my first recommendation is to sit down and figure out what type of build you want to go for and take it from there. So my next tip is gonna sound kind of nerdy, but bear with me. Get a Google spreadsheet. If you don't have a Google account, just sign up for one. It's relatively easy. And get yourself an Excel spreadsheet. That way you could really see an itemized list of everything that you need to do in order to fulfill your dreams. It'll also put things into perspective of how much the build will cost, because you'll list your parts on one side, then you can list all the prices on the other. And then as you're going through your build, you also always have a reference point as to what was already done for the car. So definitely get yourself an Excel sheet. From doing a few builds here and there, trust me, it has definitely come in handy, and it's something that I do even today. So now that you have your Google sheet, you know what type of goals you have for your car, what you're building for. Now you can save money. And trust me, I've been there. I've bought car parts where I knew it was something that I wanted now, but then long term, I ended up switching it out. And of course, that cost money. For example, say you know you're gonna go turbo in a few months, right? Do you really need to buy a cold air intake? Absolutely not. So if your end goal is to get a turbo, why waste your money on getting a cold air intake now? The only way I could see someone getting a cold air intake is if you're on IG, that's your platform, that's what you do, you take pictures, you need a nice engine bay, then okay, you know, I could see it happening. But if your ultimate goal is to save money and navigate directly towards your dream build without having to waste time and money doing certain mods, focus on that end game. Well, it's never really an end game, because quite honestly, it always continues. Things always happen with project cars. But either way guys, definitely know what you're building for, set those goals, and that'll definitely help you save money long term. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these quick tips, experience, and advice that I wanted to share with you guys, especially if you're new to the channel and you're a new builder. Consider the tips that I just shared with you. So guys, that concludes the very first episode of this series. Yes, it's our first episode, so bear with me. Of course, we don't got no good background or whatever, but I just wanted to get out there, talk to you guys, and answer those questions. So if you found this video helpful, definitely support the channel by giving a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, because we have a lot more to come. And if you're already subscribed to the channel, well, hey, thank you so much for the ongoing support. So guys, like always, you can always find me on IG, or you can find me here in the comment section. Hope you all have a good day. And like always, think for the future, enjoy your present, and don't focus too much on the past. Peace.